Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Gemini Live with screen share in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to use Google Gemini Live with shared screens, let's see how can you do this. You just have to press and hold your power button to open Gemini just like that. And here you must have to tap on share screen. Here, just try it again. Select that and here just tap on start. And here you can see Google Gemini Live has been started. Now you must have to open something on your screen with which you want to ask your Gemini. And I'm going to open, let's say, Chrome. And here I have searched for the car. Now I'm going to open the car just like that. And here you can easily ask about your image by just saying, "Hey Gemini, what is in this image?" So after that, that will tell you about that image. So that's how you can easily use Google Gemini Live with your screen share. If you want to close it, so let's see how. Just scroll down your control center and here you will get this type option which is Google Gemini Live. So you can easily hang up from here. So that's how you can easily use Google Gemini Live with screen share in Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.